Number 27. I'm going to start off, I'm going to put everything I can into y equals mx plus b form. We just have our m so far, which is what our slope is. So we've got y equals negative 2/3 x plus b. Whenever they give us a point, it's always our x and our y value. So I'm going to plug in the 3 for x and then negative 1 for y. So we have negative 1 equals negative 2/3 times 3 plus b. Negative 1 equals a negative 2 plus b. Add 2 to both sides, so b equals a positive 1. And last step, we're going to plug everything back in our equation. So y equals negative 2/3 x plus 1. Number 28. First thing we need here is to find out what our slope is. So to find slope, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So negative 4 minus 2 over 4 minus a negative 5. So that's negative 6/9, which is negative 2/3. So just like the last one, I'm going to plug in the slope. And then plug in either point to find b. Sometimes it'll be easier to plug in one point rather versus another, but I'll just plug in 4, negative 4. So negative 4 equals negative 2/3 times 4 plus b. Negative 4 equals negative 8/3 plus b. I'm going to add 8/3 to both sides. Get negative 4/3 equals b. And then plug everything back into the equation. So y equals negative 2/3 x minus 4/3. Okay, number 29. So when we have lines that are parallel to one another, they have the same slope. So all I care about from this equation that it's parallel to is that that's our slope. So y equals negative 2x plus b. And again, I'm going to plug in negative 1 for x and 4 for y. So 4 equals negative 2 times negative 1 plus b. 4 equals positive 2 plus b. Subtract 2, b equals 2. And then again, plug everything into the equation. Y equals negative 2x plus 2. Number 30. Perpendicular, we take the slope of this, and we want our slope to be the opposite reciprocal, which means we flip it and we change the sign. So it's negative 4 over 1, or it is negative 4. So y equals negative 4x plus b. 1 is our x value, negative 1 is our y value. Negative 1 equals negative 4 times 1 plus b. Negative 1 equals negative 4 plus b. Add 4, b equals 3. And then plug everything in. Y equals negative 4x plus 3.